we explain why the blue planet lacks water. Water is fun. Water is a necessity for all life on Earth. Some even predict it to be the new oil. But why isn't there enough for everyone? Even though our blue planet consists of 70% water, we can only use an extremely small part of it as drinking water. 97% of all water is salty, and 2% is frozen. The remaining 1% could still be sufficient for everyone, but unfortunately, its distribution is pretty unfair. Today, more than 700 million people have no access to clean water, like Asa, who has to walk for miles to collect it and carry it home, while Tim, in another part of the world, simply turns on the tap. He uses more than 100 liters per day. What's behind this injustice? In agriculture, groundwater and water from marshlands is used to irrigate the fields. In countries with a dry and hot climate, this is especially problematic. Once pumped out of the ground, the water doesn't come back. On top, climate change and pollution make matters worse. The local population must live on dried-out land. And as the world's population grows, the demand for water is growing too. The UN estimates that in 2025, demand will be up to 40% higher than it is today. This bears the potential for conflicts about the use of water resources. Governments and societies need to change their attitudes towards water. Water systems infrastructure and technology must be upgraded, and new frameworks for intelligent water resource management and conservation have to be forged, because there is no life without water.